Hello everyone, my name is Patrick O'Brien. I will be discussing my proposal for the Vail Resort headquarters located in Broomfield, Colorado to install a hybrid green solar roof as part of their sustainability project. Vail has taken many steps to become more sustainable. These include zero net emissions and zero waste to landfills by the year 2030. Also, zero operating impact on forests and habitats where the resorts are located. These are all admirable commitments in the right direction. However, I believe there is room for growth. Specifically, I would suggest installing a green roof on the existing building of Vail's corporate headquarters. A green roof is a roof of a building that is partially or completely covered with vegetation. There are many benefits to installing a green roof, including reducing the urban heat island effect, improving air quality, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, extending roof life, and improving stormwater management. The proposal that I'm putting forward would be combining the technologies of solar panels along with the benefits of green roofs. In fact, solar panels can work more efficiently on a roof when installed over a green roof system. The main deterrent of making a change like this is cost. However, I would argue the benefits will far outweigh the costs. For one, green roofs have the ability to save money in the long run. Over its estimated 40-year lifespan, the average green roof could save $200,000 in reduced energy costs. And this doesn't even factor in the added benefit of solar panels that will be producing clean, renewable energy. Now, there will be upfront costs associated with the planning and installation and even the upkeep of solar panels. With the vegetation in particular, there is a cost that Vail would have to pay upfront. However, as I just mentioned, this is a cost that would more than pay for itself over the life of the roof. There are a couple options for Vail to lessen the costs and even the upkeep of solar panels. If Vail decided to own the panels outright, they would qualify for a federal investment tax credit as well as tax write-offs. The other option would be a power purchase agreement. The power purchase agreement would allow a third party to own the solar panels and thus be entitled to the tax credit and write-offs. In this scenario, Vail would be able to install the panels with no money down and would not be responsible for the maintenance and upkeep of the system. As a leader in the industry, it is important for Vail to lead by example when it comes to sustainable innovation. Coupled with the goals Vail has already made, implementing the plan I have proposed would bring Vail's sustainability initiative full circle. The ski industry is one of the industries that will be hit the hardest by climate change. It is an industry that will cease to exist if there is decreasing snowfall and rising global temperatures. Due to this, it is important for ski resort companies to be an active participant in mitigating climate change. Projects such as this will go a long way in this battle. With that being said, installing one green roof will not bring an end to climate change. The other benefit of this proposal would be promoting brand reputation. Using this increased brand reputation could be spun into a PR campaign that could be taken to the community and also political leaders to make them aware of how important the ski industry is and how much climate change will affect life on the slopes. Thank you everybody for listening. I look forward to listening to your presentations.